Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Canning Coffee. In front of me is a Vesuvius. This machine is something else, not even joking. I've left it apart so you can kind of see on the inside what's going on here. That back boiler is what we were dealing with. The customer brought it in complaining that it wasn't producing any steam, and I don't know if we're going to be able to get down there. There's a thermal bypass that you can't really see. Maybe you can. Yeah, it's there. There's a thermal bypass just on the other side of that yellow wire. Anyway, that guy was tripped, and it must have just overheated at some point in time. We've had this machine running for quite some time now, and it hasn't tripped again. So once that was reset, the boiler was working again, and now we're able to draw shot. So we're going to go ahead and do so. You can hear that pump going. It just sounds really nice. Let's watch this shot get drawn. I've got the shot glass is a little bit in the wrong spot, and unfortunately it's not perfectly focused. But look at that shot and listen to that machine. It just hums. Thank you. I mean, that is something. That is something almost magical, I think. Anyway, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you like this machine, check back for more videos later, because anytime we get one, obviously, we're going to make a video about it. And yeah, thanks for watching.